Alright, this time what we got for the chopping block is Mother Nature says, and I know Mother Nature can be a female dog sometimes. I don't bother saying the B word in this video, so I'll have to bleep it out. But anyway, we got all sea creatures here. All the animals are super happy. All the animals in the forest, they're so happy. And of course the animals in the desert, they're all super happy. Not one is frowning. And in the jungle, we got super smile face. So it's just so much fun eating up in the jungle, getting stung by bees and bit by ants, and not one is frowning. And I guess that's about it. I know there's some awkward cuts here and there. It's just, I just keep slipping my lines and such. It's just so annoying, but yeah. Now we're about to test this toy, and yeah, it makes a real funny sound.
Dolphins play in the ocean.
What?
Rabbits like to hide in the desert. The tiger has fancy stripes.
Alright, point at the coyote.
Coyotes love to howl.
Yep, it's just about right, only it's a little slow. And just like on the other toy, we got all these weird pouches or marks on here. Probably just because the toy company didn't stick the stickers on right, or probably just from all the years this toy was worth using. And here we got on the back, we got the two kids, super smile face with a little kitten. They're so happy. And they don't ever fight, and life is just perfect. I know I'm ripping off Original HD channel, but you get the idea. What matters is getting rid of this toy. I'm just probably going to mess around with this toy just for the heck of it, and then throw it off my dad's balcony. Well, my dad used to live here, but who even gives a crap? I like it when it's sped up.
Elephant has the longest nose. These love to howl.
Did it wrong. It was pointed at the dolphin, but it did the coyote. I don't know what it was, but I think the record skipped.
These seals are going fishing.
I'll tell you where you're going fishing. In hell. Oh, don't tell me that broke.
The monkey likes to play in trees.
Yeah? Me and my brother used to be little chimps when we were young. I'm not like these monkeys, but still, we were considered monkeys.
The woodpecker likes making holes.
I'll tell you where I'll be making holes next. In you. Oh, it doesn't even bother to scratch because I'm doing it too soon.
Sleeps all winter.
You notice on the side, you could actually see how this little thing works. You can see the little magical record in there. I don't know if you could tell, but that's how it works on the inside there. I don't know if that was pointed at the rabbit. Owl.
Owls stay up all night.
Oh yeah, so does my brother. Alright, I think I've had enough of you. And I specifically wanted to make this video, so I wanted to wait up until my mom's car would get out of the way so I can throw this off the balcony without the toy actually hitting her car. Just like how last time I had the Tickle Me Elmo, I mean, when it fell off the roof, it hit my mom's car, but it didn't damage it. But still, just want it, like, devoid of any cars, just so I could do this here. Watch and learn. 3, 2, 1. Oh, I didn't hear it make any noise. What the hell? Alright, you better keep talking. Oh, I think it's a little loose. not supposed to do that. Oh, it broke. It's not working. What's that? Man, what's wrong with it? Well, the kids are still happy on the back to say the least. Wait, that wasn't Coyote. Work! The screen must have snapped. What the heck? Does it play anymore? Oh, it's too fast! It's like a lawnmower! Ugh, freaking brakes on me the first time I throw it out the window. I hear stuff moving around inside. It's still spinning though. That thing shattered. Ugh. Don't need that. Stuff's falling apart. Apparently I got the little mechanism out, but it's broken. Because some of the pieces are missing, but there's a little magical record inside. Only it doesn't work. Are you kidding me? I have to like push down so it can play. Okay, it doesn't work that way. Oh, it's all sticky too. What the hell? Alright, even though this video is running short, what destruction video isn't complete without the bam slam gadget to bam and slam and bam this little scene say all around. Oh, there goes the piece there. Okay, now it got stuck. Oh, never mind. It's a precious little record. I would have sold this on eBay. Man, the value would have been intense. Yeah. Screw Mother Nature. Have a good day. Damn. Oh, and by the way, these two stools right here, my mom are giving away. If you're just wondering what this thing was used for, really just to put the camera on here. Because why not? I'm cheap. Are you?